welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a minute since we've done a straight bob wig on my channel, so I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. Let's jump into all the details about this unit. Today's hair sponsor is Myfirstwig. I believe this is my second collaboration with them. They make really beautiful wigs. I have a 12-inch bob. This is in a 13x6 HD lace. The lace color that I have is brown. This wig is also glueless. We did 100% glueless install today. We are going to be installing this wig 100% glueless, so we're not going to be securing her down like the typical way. We're just going to be doing the baby hairs and obviously like styling her. So we're going to cut the lace first, not secure her, but you know, style her. And try these new scissors. So guys, you definitely want to take your time if you have intentions of wearing a frontal wig glueless. If it doesn't have a band, you definitely need to be careful when you're cutting the ear tabs, because you don't want to cut too much lace off or not enough, because you really want it to lay flat around the ears. I think this step makes a huge difference whether or not a wig will actually look glueless. So that's what I'm doing, really taking my time and making sure I'm taking just enough off and not too much as well. I'm pressing it down to see how I'm liking how it's laying down. You definitely have to play around with it. You don't just expect it to look perfect and be the perfect cut right away. And you guys, this lace is so beautiful. It's almost hard to see where it's at. Sometimes I have to go in closer to look to see to find it, because it definitely blends in so well. I definitely wanted to be transparent with you guys. I would say this is one of the luxury units that I'm reviewing. Now, why I say that is because it is on the more expensive side, but it is quality. So when you get a wig and you're spending, you know, a few $100s for the unit, you're expecting it to be high quality. You're expecting the lace to be superior, the texture to be really soft, the wig to be constructed well, and this wig definitely offers all of those things. Now, I do want to mention that you can customize your units to choose the options that you want. So I chose the options that I wanted. Like, I wanted Malaysian hair. You can choose Brazilian hair or whatever other textures they offer. You can choose whether or not you want the lace pre-bleach, light bleach, like a heavier bleach. All of these things you can customize on their website when you're checking out. It's actually a really interesting process. If you haven't ever like customized a wig and you're thinking about doing so, maybe you have specific requirements that you're looking for, I would say check them out, because they offer a lot of options. And even with the styling products, if you are new to wearing wigs and you don't have any of the products that you might need, they offer those as well. So when you're checking out and you're creating your wig, you can select whether or not you want the edge tamer or the combs or I don't know what else, but they have it all, you guys. They've literally taken care of all the hard work for you, and I think that that is so cute. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's still no glue, there's still no hairspray. It is still 100% glueless, and we can still lift her up right there. Baby hairs are definitely optional. We are gonna do this side. And again, it's still glueless, as you guys can see. I am spraying hairspray, but I'm not spraying the hairspray to secure the wig. I'm just spraying the hairspray to style the hairs right around the front here.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
This wig is the ARIES wig, and I have installed a 12-inch blunt bob. As you guys saw in the install portion, we did bump the ends to curl it under. It is also Malaysian hair in 130% density. This is a fresh out of the box install. I did not bleach this unit. I did not have to do anything. The knots came pre-bleached, and it was like a very light pre-bleach. It just looked like the perfect clean hairline. What I love about their wigs, both times I've received a wig, it came ready to wear. For this install, we wanted this to be very beginner friendly, and all I did was cut some baby hairs and slick them down with hair gel. We did not use any holding spray or glue or anything. This is a glueless install. The front here is definitely not secured. The entire wig is not secured, but because I did press down the baby hairs with some gel, it is holding that portion of the wig down a little bit. 100% glueless. It is very beginner friendly. You can just wear it out of the box. Like, look at the texture of her. So smooth, so silky. It fits really snug. Now, if you are someone like me who don't like braiding their natural hair underneath and you kind of just slick it back, well, if you have any more hair than me, I would say go up a size, because I have the size number 1. That's why we're able to wear it glueless. As you guys can see up close, it is really not like secured, but it is laying flat. It's not tight to the point where it's giving me like a migraine or anything, thank goodness. It's just, I just feel like it's not gonna slip off, which is really good, because you can't really wear frontal wigs like glueless a lot of times because, you know, the ends and the sideburns be flapping in the wind. But they are actually holding down pretty well with just this eco styling gel. A lot of companies, you guys, are making wigs that you can wear out of the box. If you're a beginner or you're just someone who likes having the option of wearing a wig glueless, this is the company for you guys, because look at the hair. It's just beautiful, you guys. Beautiful hair, beautifully constructed wigs. 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend. I think this bob is so cute. The density is pretty good. I really like the style of this bob. I think it's really a nice cut. I didn't have to go in and like clean it up. Some companies, they make this portion of the bob wig thin, but this is not the case with this company, you guys. It is thick all throughout, as you guys can see. It's a great option for a glueless wig, or if you want to secure her, you can definitely do that. You have, you know, endless possibilities. And again, this is what she looks like. Beautiful. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up in the comment section below. I really do appreciate it. Do you wear your wigs glueless, or are you always like, you know, secure her down kind of girl? Let me know in the comment section below. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.